Hello everyone. Today we shall discuss exercise 11.1 question number 5. The teacher distributes 5 pencils per student. Can you tell how many pencils are needed given the number of students? Use S for the number of students. Here we can solve this problem in this way, that is, for for one student for one student pencil needed pencil needed is 5. For 2 student pencil needed is 5 into 2. For 3 student pencil needed is 5 into 3. For S student pencil needed is 5 S, where 5 is constant, 5 is constant and S is the number of students. S is the number of students. Right? This is the solution of question number 5.